Hello, friends. Welcome to Knowledge Sharing. So, today I'm going to talk about this very good website. So, if you are looking for any kind of book or any kind of tutorial for your kids or for yourself, most probably you are going to get that book free of cost from this website. So, this website name is pdfdrive.com. So, I will write down here so you will understand pdfdrive.com. So this is a website name. So if you navigate this website, you will get this particular home page. And if you want to navigate a particular storybook or any category which you like, so these are the categories. If you see, the books are available here. So editorial speaks, academic and education, biography, children's and youth, fictions and literature, lifestyle, politics and laws, science and research, technology, religion, personal growth, health and fitness, environment, business and career, art, and most popular. So, suppose I want to search a book which is related to, you can say, English for kids. So, what you have to do, you can just type here English for kids. Then you will get a good number of search here. So if you see here, it is searching a lot of things. So you can simply go here and pick whatever you want. So if you see here, fun kids, and there's a lot of books are available here. So you can navigate to the next page. Suppose I'm going to click on this. Let's see which kind of book it is. So if you want to see, this book is getting download in my system, so it will provide one option after this. Let me see what the option is coming. See, it is saying go to book. So now, so it opened here, kids English. So see here, this is the book it downloaded. Okay, so this looks a very good book. So this is the importance of it. If you want to see the most popular, so click on most popular. You will get all most popular books which are uploaded in this website. So this is a really a fantastic website. Okay, I have got a lot of books from this website, and it was really useful for me to understand a lot of things. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.